Hello, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will cover one more scenario for OVRDBF command in which we are utilizing the OVRDBF command for accessing the particular member of a physical file. So firstly, I will show you the physical file where we have one member added to it. So let me show you by using command DSPOVR F4. Here you can pass the file name which is testpf1, library name as Sharmit1. Okay, then simply hit enter. Now just go down and there you will found the member name as testpf1. So by default first name is as the file name. Now page down, this is the member that we have added to this file, which is testpf1. So if you are not aware like how to add member, then you can refer one session where we are discussing about the adding member to a multi-member, creating multi-member physical file in RPGLE series. Okay, so from there you can refer it. Here mainly we are discussing about the OVRDBF command for accessing particular member. So now I will show you the data of both members. Run QURY, library Sharmit1 and file is testpf1. So by default member is file name, so it holds this data. Similarly, if I go with the particular member which is testpfm1, so it contains this much of data. Okay, so this is the member data. So this data we are going to access using some particular name with the help of OVRDBF command. So let's see how. Before that we will see if there is any override already implemented. So for that we are checking DSPOVR command. So it as of now we don't have any overrides, so it is showing no file overrides. Now we'll see the program. Here we are directly overriding the file which is OVRDBF. Press F4 on OVRDBF. Here you can pass the file name and overriding to database file name along with their library and the member name. So now this name can be used to access a particular member from this file which is testpfm1. Then go and page down. Here you can see that we are adding the scope as a star job. So it means it will be impacted throughout the job. Now do page down. So this thing we are commenting for now because we don't want to delete override just after processing it, because we want to see the changes over the job. So let's compile it by commenting it. It is compiled. Now I am calling this. So now if we do the DSPOVR, then you will see that override has been added for this particular member. So let's see by doing run query on test. So you can see that it fetches the data from particular member using test name. So this is the advantage of using OVRDBF command. Now suppose if you want to delete the override in the program itself, then you need to uncomment this line and make sure that if you are specifying over scope at the time of overriding, then same thing you need to specify here also. So just write F4 on delete override. Here pass the file name and the overscope as star job. Then simply go and compile this and call this. So if I do run query now on test, it shows no file exists, cannot query, because now override is not there. So if we check with DSPOVR command, no overrides. Okay, so this is the advantage of override command. And one more thing, like if you are ending the over, means if you are deleting the override in the same program, then there is no need to specify this over scope. You can directly skip this because we are processing inside the program only. So by default it will pick it will be impact in program. Okay, so yeah, that's all for this session. In the upcoming session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.